Hello everyone, welcome back you all in a new ISO certified live training program under the title of Complete Substructure and Floor Slab Designs using CSI SAFE, Excel and Manual. In this complete training program, you are going to learn conceptual understanding of terms related to substructure design, professional approach for manual design of substructure, exploration of user interface and essential commands of CSI SAFE software for its seamless application in your projects, validation of CSI SAFE analysis and design results using advanced Excel sheet in order to ensure accuracy and reliability of the software. There will be brief discussion about the real soil investigation reports. In addition to all of this, we are going to cover 5 real example projects with their real solutions. In the first and second project, we are going to cover all the different types of the foundations as isolated and combined foundations in the CSI SAFE software. In the third project, we are going to cover design, schedule and detail of raft foundation. In the fourth real example project, we are going to cover design, schedule, details of pile and pile cap. In the fifth real example project, we are going to cover design, schedule and detail of floor slabs using CSI SAFE software. These all projects are going to be covered with their respective soil investigation reports. In addition to all of these, we are going to cover design, schedule and detail of basement wall by the advanced Excel sheet. Have a look over the features of this training. Daily live classes conducted by expert for 1.5 hours. Recording of every session with lifetime access. Can interact with expert anytime 24/7. Exposure to real practice. ISO certification of training completion. It's 5-star rated training program. Till now more than 2000 participants have benefited from this training program. Now you are the next.